Hey guys, it's Kristen of KSTIKESDESIGNS. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited. I am finally upgrading my flat iron situation here. I got this in the mall in Lexington, Kentucky over 10 years ago. She's burned, charred, the pink starting to peel off, and it's just time for something new. I'm starting to make more videos and actually do my hair myself a little bit more often, so I just think it's time to upgrade to the latest and greatest technology. I stumbled upon the TYMO Ring Hair Straightening Comb. And to be honest, when I first saw hair straightening comb, it kind of made me think of a hot comb. Like what burned me in right about this area every night before Easter. So I was a little hesitant, and I haven't tried it yet, but based off of what I've read and what I've looked at, it kind of seems like the physical structure of an old school hot comb mixed with the new school technology of a flat iron. Let's take a peek inside. The comb has a very high-tech look, and I'm a girly girl to a fault, so you can never go wrong with pink in my book. Unlike the hot comb I grew up with and the flat iron that I have now, the teeth are ceramic. Here is the power button and adjustable temperature controls that light up. This tool is not only modern, but super user-friendly. It has a revolving power cord. That makes it easier to bend and adjust. That'll be really helpful in getting your kitchen and other places that are hard to reach. A glove, a brush, and 2 clips are also included in the packaging. To prep my hair, I'm going to pre-poo with Aussie Miracle Moist. A pre-poo provides a protective layer before you wash your hair, so I'm going to mix this up with an organic oil and sit with it on for 20 minutes with heat. I really don't have a ton of loyalty for my pre-poo, so any super commercial brand will do. I washed with the ORS Scalp Rescuing Detox Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Try saying that 5 times fast. I enjoy the charcoal and green tea smell combo. It just smells extremely cleansing. You'll also get a really good rich lather with a small amount of shampoo. And lastly, the amazing ORS Hair Mayonnaise. I mix this with castor oil and process it with heat for at least 30 minutes. I've been using this since high school. It's a light protein conditioner. The 2 main proteins I noticed on the ingredient list are egg powder and hydrolyzed collagen. The higher an ingredient is on the list, the higher the content, and those 2 ingredients are in the middle of the list, which makes it a light protein. I always use a leave-in after rinsing out my conditioner, and today I'm using the Mizani 25 Miracle Milk. I wasn't sure if I should blow dry with a brush or an attachment, and I ultimately decided on the brush. That's what my stylist uses, so I'm just going to try to imitate her as best as I can. I was about to plug it in so it could heat up, but the instructions say it heats up in 30 seconds, so joke's on me. Bloop. Apparently I'm stuck in yesteryear. Now it's time for the TYMO. I'm gonna turn it all the way up to 410. I apply the ORS 2-in-1 Heat Defense and Shine Mist. You always need a protectant before you flat iron or before using any major heat tool. I sprayed a little in my hand and worked it through. The back of this straightening comb gets hot, so be very careful with the back of it. To be safe, I would suggest running it through your hair with the back cymbal portion facing outward because it just gets so hot. I wouldn't want you to burn your face. Okay, the glove was wearing me thin. It had to exit stage left. I am a straight shooter, so I'm gonna tell you all what I really think. The teeth make this an excellent tool for getting your edges and those hard to reach places like the hair around your neck. I also don't flat iron my hair myself because it just never turns out anywhere as good as the salon, and this isn't as perfect as the salon, but this is pretty close. My one and only critique is the inability to get your ends. You can't really apply any pressure right there, but I was able to create a little bit of a bump. I also wanted to give a little relaxer update. I'm 5 weeks post relaxer. I'm starting to see a little new growth, more so in the back, whether that be because it's growing more or because my hair is truly just a lot more coarse in the back. That's where I notice it the most. August was the last time I applied heat and had my hair flat ironed. I really wanted to do more like a 6-month heat stretch when I first started this hair journey, but this 3-month stretch is still pretty safe. 3 months will do. Some of my sections could have and should have been a lot smaller, but the TYMO was still pretty effective. Here's the finished product, very sleek and shiny. This straightening comb gets an A from me. Just look at that swing. One thing I am gonna do is go in with my old flat iron and hit these ends. They look a little poofy to me. And that's not a knock because this is honestly the best flat iron job I've ever done at home by myself. I just think that different tools have different specialties and functionality. My stylist very often uses one flat iron for my entire head and then uses a smaller one for my edges in my kitchen. It's okay to use more than one tool. And just in time for Black Friday, they're having a sale that lasts from November 20th through the 29th. I have a discount code for you. Hi Kristen will give you an extra 10% off. You can upgrade to more modern hair tech with me for the low. I really don't like to overspend. It was already only $60, so when you layer on the discounts, that's a good deal. As always, thank you for watching and growing with me. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment with any questions. Bye guys.